your boy Blit, man. It's you at the range, man. And we with that boy. We got Glizzy in the cut. That boy
yo, you know we in this bitch turret, man.
We finna get it busted, man. This 1v1, man. We hitting 6 shots, 6 targets, man. We finna see. We going 3 rounds, seeing who got the best shot, to be honest. We both got Glock 19s, same, we got light, we got the same clips. There's no excuse, everything the same, man. So, we definitely finna be
turret, man. You know what I'm saying?
Right now, and future videos, we gonna be putting that money on the line. So I'm finna go and set the camera up and get it busted, tap back in, and it's ready. But like I said, man, double Glock 19s, 6 shots, 6 targets.
My pocket's empty so I can what is that?
But
oh hell no.
I ain't got no excuses.
Go when they be hit the ground.
Alright.
Okay.
Alright, man.
Oh. Ready?
Yeah.
Bro,
hey, yo, stupid ass.
That don't count. We gonna do shit. We gonna do shit. Ready?
No. Yeah, I ain't hitting that one.
I folded, man. Round 1, man. I hit 2 though.
I hit 0.
Oh, that boy hit 0. Round 1, bad for you, yeah. Of course. You can toss that bit this time, my boy. You can toss that bit on you.
Oh, okay.
You.
Round 2.
Ready?
No. 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 Oh, that's twice. The same thing again. Bro. What the hell? How did I fold like that, bro? I
thought I hit one on God. It's either you hit one, I thought I hit it, or we hit one, or I hit one, everything fall. See my b this time.
You know, he got his little,
feel me?
Well, he got Glock 43X, I got my Taurus. Glock versus Taurus GX4 bit up.
You feel?
Understand? See who win, man. 6 shots, 6 shots.
Yes, sir.
You drop in. You ready, my boy? You can stop a little bit. That's straight. Yeah.
Round 3.
Ready? Oh.
God damn. That's crazy, bruh.
3, man.
That's crazy.
That boy shooting 0s, 3. But I be out here more than him. I be out here like every other week.
Oh shit.
That boy going through it back there, man. It's okay. We finna load him up, get right again. You dig? Yes, sir, man. Subcompact guns. Once again, 6 shot. But this time we're trying to get the 3 plates on the other side first. See who gets theirs on the opposite side first. You dig?
Alright. Put one in the head.
Round 4.
Ah! Oh my! Halfway!
I'm out, y'all, boys.
That boy hit the middle one only.
Oh, at least I hit one, bro. I ain't even mad, bro.
Yeah, man. Yeah, but it's all practice, man. That's all this is. Practice.
Yeah.
Y'all, it's a little easy.
But shit ain't,
this TV, GAG hustle.
Hey, don't let this shit fool y'all boys, man.
Be out here. It's
trying to put in work, bro.
So get y'all out here. Make sure y'all shoot with y'all guns. and not just looking at them. You dig? Yeah, man. We finna run it one more time. Then we gonna switch back to the big side, and then y'all let us know in the comments who the best shooter. Down in the comments, spam. Let us know who the best shooter, who really won, which guns was the best. Yeah, this is Taurus versus that Glock right now, man. It was that Glock 19 on Glock 19. Now it's Taurus versus Glock. Now we finna run it again on that tree. I bet on you, bro.
Oh, okay. Ready?
5th round.
Ooh, first shot. Hell, I hit that too. I hit that.
Bro, that's fucking
Bro, I hit all three.
bro.
The first one, or the second one, I hit all three.
That's crazy,
Yeah,
bro.
man.
I thought I popped that first
man.
one too.
I hit all three. But
bro,
that second one I hit, it didn't want to flop around. But we heard that ding, so that count, you dig?
that's crazy, bro.
Man, we back on that double 19. We get right, you know.
Hey, on me? Oh, it's on you.
Another round.
Oh, I shot two.
I hit one.
No, that boy beat me.
No,
That boy beat me.
I only got two though. One of them, I don't know if one of them fell off the wind or something, but one of them fell like that. So I got two though. I got two. I finally got one.
God damn.
Are you ready?
Final round.
No. Here we go. No.
Bro, I hit that shit.
What's up with two?
Bro,
I keep
that's
getting two.
crazy. I swear I heard one of my hit.
I ain't gonna lie, you probably hit that little bottom part.
Oh,
I been hitting that bit too.
Okay.
Yo, yeah, we just gonna go ahead and conclude the video on that note. Like I said, man, down in the comments, let me know who the best shooter, who won, you feel me? It's your boy Glizzy, man. You don't say nothing much, shout the shit out, bro. Your Instagram.
Hey, man, it's your boy T Glizzy, man. Follow me on YouTube, man. TIGLIZZY. Same thing for IG, man. TLIZZY. I don't even know if I spelled it right before.
Yeah, man, I'm gonna put that boy page and his IG in the comments in the description, actually. So check that boy shit. Check out that boy page. That boy got that gas, boy, that heat. I ain't gonna lie to you, but yeah, we out.
That boy so love.
You may not know right where you're going, but I do. And all the times you wasn't chosen, well, I'm